Hello friends! This week we've been learning about supply and demand. Supply is when you have things to sell or give away. Demand is the want for those things. So let's say right now everyone seems to want toilet paper. That means that there is a high demand for toilet paper. A lot of people demand having toilet paper. So most likely if there's a very high demand for that object or that good or even a service, the supply is going to be low because everyone's bought it out. So like if you were to go to Walmart right now and look down the toilet paper aisle, because everyone wanted toilet paper, they've bought it all out and you might not be able to find any. Now things can go the other way too. There can be a low demand. Not many people want it or can afford it. So there's a high supply. There's a lot of it in stock. Like cars. If you drive past a car shop, a car dealership, you might see there's a lot of cars in the car lot. That's because there's not a whole lot of people that want to buy the cars right now. So they have a lot of cars in stock. Let me show you on a picture. On your assignment today, your paper is going to kind of look like this. It's going to have two sides. One side will say low demand and high supply. Low demand means there's only maybe one or two people that might want it. High supply means there's a lot of that item still left. So if this person only gets one, there's still going to be a whole lot of these boxes left. Then there's the other way around. High demand and low supply. Low supply means there's not very many of those boxes left, not very many of that good. But there's a whole lot of people that want those. So 2 people can come get a box each, but there's still going to be 3 people that didn't get to get their box because they're sold out. So your task today is to come up with a list of items that are low in demand or high in demand. So let's think of a few examples. Low demand. We said cars were in low demand and high supply. If I couldn't spell the word cars, although we should, I could draw that little picture of a car. This is my little car. That's the best I can do. And we said high demand was toilet paper. Again, if I can't spell toilet paper, I can draw it. So I think of a little tube here with some toilet paper coming out. Let's come up with another one for low demand. What is something we know there's a whole lot of still in the store? Good ideas. There's so many things. I think one thing in low demand, might be a TV. TVs. I'll draw a little TV here. Because not a whole lot of people can afford TVs right now. So there's still a lot of TVs on the shelves. I could also say another thing on low demand would probably be do you know what this is? Cake. Because most people are buying their normal groceries and don't buy cake all the time. So those things are in low demand with high supply. There's going to be a lot of those, so you can almost always get what you want when you go to buy it on this side. But let's go to the high demand side. Right now we can't find toilet paper very much, so that's high demand. Let's think of some other things that are in high demand. Good idea. Milk. Everyone seems to be buying all the milk on the shelf. So milk is in high demand. Can we think of one more? Ooh, That's right. Those of you that like video games know the Nintendo Switch is in high demand. A lot of people really want the Nintendo Switch. So you can't buy them very easy because everyone wants them. And that's also why they cost so much money, because so many people want them. So there's a few ideas. Your job is to come up with 3 more items for both sides. Try to come up with 3 more low demand and 3 more high demand. It could be anything that you can think of. Good luck. And think about low demand means there's a high supply. High demand means there's a low supply.